Hi, this is Brian. I'm here to show you some of the tools in StatCrunch for doing inference on two samples. So we're going to start with looking at a difference of two population proportions. Okay, so this problem, we want to conduct the following test at an alpha equals 0.10 level of significance. So we're given some sample data from two samples of sizes 255 and 301. We've got 30 people out of the first sample, 36 out of the second, said yes to some arbitrary question. So the null hypothesis would be that the two population proportions are the same versus the alternative that the two population proportions are different. Okay, so that's straightforward. Now I want to show you how in StatCrunch we can calculate the run the hypothesis test. So under stat, under the proportion stats, to sample with summary, we just enter from the first sample we have 30 out of 255, and from the second sample we have 36 out of 301. And now the hypothesis test, notice the difference of the way it's shown. P1 minus P2 equals 0 is the same as P1 equals P2. So that's what we pick, and the alternative we pick not equal to, that's what we want. And just click compute, and that'll do the hypothesis test. We're going to get a p-value as well as a test statistic. So it's first asking for the test statistic. That's negative 0.07. Let's bring it over here. Critical values, oh, okay, well, let's find critical values. That's from the the normal probability calculator. At an alpha of 0.10, we want to go to the between calculator. If the alpha level 0.10 means there's 90% between the two cutoffs, so that we put 0.90 in, click compute, and it's going to give us the cutoffs for a standard normal distribution. So 3 decimal places is 1.645. I'm going to round it to 1.645. Okay, well, the test statistic is between the cutoffs, so we do not reject the null. That's the conclusion we make using the classical approach.